In this lesson, we're going to demonstrate how to overload the equality operator. And we'll do that with the same name class that we've been working with before, so I'll still have all the code current for that. So to overload equality, what we're going to do is we're going to, of course, define that as a bool return value, and then the operator is the equality operator. And then we want to look at 2 minutes objects. And we're going, I'm sorry, these are names. Oops. So let me clear some space here. So to do that, we're going to say return n1 first equal n2 first, and n1 middle equals n2 middle, and, oops, let me bring all that back here, hang on. There we go. And n1 last equal n2 last. Put a semicolon there. Let's do something that I don't do very often. Let's make sure that compiles correctly. We'll get no output here, but it's a good way to check to see if everything's running correctly, and it did. So let's create a couple of name objects now. Oops, there we go. I'm having trouble typing here. Let's get going. There we are. Then we'll use the equality operator. Then our else part, cout names are not the same. So let's run that and see. Exactly right. Let's modify that. Let's make Trent lowercase t. Whoops, not \t. There we go. Compare them again, and names are not the same. While we're here, we can also, let's do this real quick. Overload the not equal operator. And we can do that very simply now. Now that we've overloaded the equality operator, we can use it with the not equal operator. So let's test that one. Have to change our code right here. So now it should be that they're not the same, which is a true. Now let's change it, the lowercase t back to the uppercase t, and now they should be the same. So now that we've seen how to overload, it's very clear that what we're doing is we're simply performing the same tasks that we would perform with the equals or with the operator. We're just doing it by working inside the objects that we're comparing. N1 and N2 for these names, for example, where we simply see if all parts of the name are the same, which is exactly what we do if we were doing it individually and not inside a redefinition or an overloading of the equality operator. And then once we've defined or overloaded the equality operator, then we can use it in overloading the not equal operator. And with that, we've wrapped up this lesson on overloading the equality and the non-equality or the not equal operators.